nko ano mo ye
dabi yade bia how bia omo wo anodru e wo ho
manu mo ya me ho atomi die me pese me call mo ho mo wo fa he
kwakwesi edu heba center for e wo akem asubua e ho e na obehu wo opedi ata drugstore bia e wo fitiri pharmacy shop Heba shop bia ebi ewo ho akema subua main station ope Kojo drugstore ebi wo ho sanso na Cecilia aka nkwantanum oda ubenya bi wo Nana Twimasi drugstore Madalena Hotel ase ope papa ya meka na sem oyodifo ankasabu enti se wo sunsumu amane sunsumu ha fakodan kwakuase edu heba center prayer camp na wo yade ebi free so anase wo be fro difo kwasha ewa homa we so 0545 595070 and 0247037564 kwakuase edu heba center nubra ene hahama fie ene
Hey, Kwaku, a man, you don't want to sacra.
And yes, okay.
And to them to Tina and a crack. I Jawadu. I'm on tears. I have some amper watching. And my says in Sano. Some amper watch said, would this should be filmed? Say, your mamma, or papa, or bar, Bema, Penny, and Aquada. Or the Nuka dance some amper watch that. Ah, won't you see can we cry? One best yes, Nipano, Akran and Kakranka, Craft, a fair fuck on a corner. I'm obey you woman or Dahua North Resa. Bridges of and in Tatiafo. Say, wow, this should be filmed. Make come for some amper watching. I'm on say, a home and in the right place. I saw the Shanuko. A son saying, I am some anybody of him no bush. I want to Tom Zia Bay. I am watching. And I don't question. And only some amper watch and phone in Trebia. I'll be you dish and no sansry. And I'm a coin on Befas yes in the Pediano when you bet Jicke. Some amper watching. I want more from Junction. Wabra would do an yatre at Chim Asantiman. Bonso sending Faswa. Ye Chidan Fita. A worship. I also so come on. Me patrodia from Okeke. I was 0208 360 and now say 0550-420-202. Some amper mochra na. Ni pedianu be no. Na otisa di osati asia moja di mo frisani. Me say some amper mochra na. Rest as you live.
Adwumayfo me mamo ayiko
ya ye
na former way
master me wa ha
na nanu cement me kotoma mo se mo fa nya adwuma no sai na former uhu cement no
oh master wunim ade papa
that's right
Unisam cement okofa ba ye no se wo to house o se wo gba price no se wo twa blocks o se wo to blocks o ama ye adwuma ye mbre
Unisam cement that's ramati so we mason we labourer we foreman na so pesa wadwuma ye fa ya kono na gina painting dia that is the product Unisam cement your bottom and a paper mu die
na so bi pe cement papa say ya ehemfa no be bi ato
so we pe Unisam cement bi ato e wa chim dan ni patam ha we be kwa some cheese enterprise your amantra ya ni Dukes filling station and di ehwani mu fly 0243 583 190 and 0540 659 865 so we amazing and now foreman na udi enipa beto cement babru 50 bags so a ye chewa de free some chi enterprise and di aba achim dan amantra ya ni Dukes filling station edi ehwani mu
na me say every bra me hu wo the bia we are active very strong and energetic
we are 100% na nyina ne sade me hwe me ni padua sofa na de boa me mama hoden mama timi ko bada ene tabia zanika heba mister
tabia zanika heba misha what the one dance ya chere me
ho dance de enye wonko me de dawure na ato so na madia chere ni pampempem tabia zanika heba mister ma to ne de nyamyama sa wonoma emenkwamu a ewo ni padua no mu a ye fra mu asojafo eye wide blasters na hoden enti ni padua ni nya hoden soronko kutia yare ahodo bebre enti wonta nyare enti na da me ye strong no eye general well-being of the body enti ye adwuma ewo ni padua na kwa no mu ba bia
me ya metumi hu ene se busua bia
eye busua nchemfa se obi de ne ho to tabia zanika heba mesa so a eden se obeyare na nya na ewo ba bia tonto aduro bia hye ne nso se obi a onya mfinhye dumienu apemfo ene abatan a oma omanofo entimi no bi FDA ahwehwe sa adwade nkratomu mu agye tumi se ye.
Enter the world of pharmacy.
Ghana Ghana had ye ebanu nufra ene ne tondia. To Binku Pharmaceuticals Limited, womunity pain. Nenya wamase yenro no yasande ko sub-region. Emma wane wa West Africa countries no so enye bito. Na yase yen customers no yen loyal customers. Yen ni mwedi dwache. Yen pese mo beha mo ho na maba baby a headquarters no wo na mabesisa enro no. Enu nti yede ye wholesale ni bi ebe mum ye ya woduo bebre. Ya mo betimi enye mo akwanya na makofa nro ni bi. Sese ye bie yen wholesale baako ewo Asaman Kasia ewo Old Education Road opposite Republic Bank. Asaman Kasia wo epoye mantemo. Nebani nupadia wonim se tobi nkodie. Ene ne ja was Lufat malaria drop papa. Fufro ya diaba any arsenate. Sanso and Amorex, Cold Relief, Entramol, Top C, Foligrow, Cough Off, and many more. Enti Tobinko Pharmaceuticals Limited. Echen wo se wo baba be friend roye bi. Ewo yen wholesale. Ya no ewa Asaman Kasi. Na wo so wo je number afre 0544296939. Tobinko Pharmaceuticals Limited. Yen ro nyina a papene.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti.
Benida suo nina newo. Eye ankasado na mido. Na eba no say no do pay na mi media. Edruboni na minumwana anase mi kosha konfo. Se ubido wa unwana na inye wukikano na mintio. Arira chichire mi do unimse if you're only power. Ababa we enyinimo enyinanwa edikosio no bana seyo Sophie ase isio no shegudia nenyera amete odasino enamuso na mete odasi Nasafi enese ekimia afena uko no way.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti.
Your friend no paiwo semafumu wakatremio na mimpa ucha nenyese yejayo kwe arira chichire mido unimse if you only power ababa we eyinimo eyinanwa edikonsio no bana seyo Sophie ase sio no shegudia nenyera enyimimo simi wa botre ya meyo piano famesa Yenam benus na elio Afe ade Mama tafuenya miyo if you only power ababa we eyinimo eyinanwa edikonsio no bana
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti.
night's a different girl, I can't believe it. Do I have to tell you how I feel before you see me? Can you tell me why? Why oh, why oh, can you tell me why oh, why oh, boy, who you taking home tonight? I did feel you when I know the lie, but who you taking home tonight? Go and say, boy, who you taking home tonight? I did feel you when I know the lie. Who you taking home tonight? Where you and your mommy not so busy, who jive? Baby boy, I got your back, intimacy guy. Tell me, Kodana, you promise who die? Where you and your mommy not so busy, who jive? Baby boy, I got your back, intimacy guy. I hate that I love you. Oh, boy, who you taking home tonight? I did feel you when I know the lie, but who you taking home tonight? Go and say, boy, who you taking home tonight?
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Who you taking home tonight? I go see Annie, Jessica, and meet me. Every other night's a different girl, I can't believe it. Do I have to tell you how I feel before you see me? Can you tell me why? Why oh, why oh, can you tell me why oh, why oh, boy, who you taking home tonight? I did feel you when I know the lie, but who you taking home tonight? hurtful with cries. I believe love is a game with broken heart as a prize to win. The same love is that magical feeling within. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. There can't be love without pain. Some days are dry, some come with rain. Sometimes you're up and sometimes you're down.
Alright, so song released
That's what love
in 2008 by Della. The Indomie generation won't know her. Right, okay. Good morning. How you all doing?
so wonderful and
Alright, so wonderful Thursday morning. And we are up and awake. And we are live on your radio, 93.3 FM.
I believe love is
It happens to be the third day of the third month.
to win. The same love
The year
is
is 2022.
within. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. There
Alright, so we are here.
without
And there you are. Yamo Akwaba Bio. Emma watching the Bahin Kind 93.3 FM. So we're Juma and I was so good. So I would say your friend me Jenny me champon what in the Cosmos from me Bruce Money.
and sometimes
From me Cobina Cost from my brand to the perfect gentleman.
love is all about.
Right, so of course we are the Padumas on production. DJ Shabo, the super duper DJ. Mr. Charles, Nanato Pan the first Agege man on social media. Me pa channel pe obi an to say mo achibio. And there yawa da ntino. What is yawa da bia na yedi odo odo sane. And you know that love is the master key that opens the gate of happiness. Are you aware? Right, so it's a Thursday. And most definitely, Councillor Edwin Boahen will join us in the studios this morning. On Councillor's column. And our topic for this morning is how to prepare mentally, or how to prepare yourself mentally for marriage. So this is what we're actually going to discuss this morning here on 93.3 FM, the Super Duper branch on your radio. Me find Chagas and come Brad David, your taxi driver, and come a Pasco, and come MP3, and come Stagger, and come Oba Time, Jonah Oba Tampa. That time to say come Ricardo, Tanko, your taxi driver. I said the phone in any back up. Good morning. Berman Kwan up. Good morning. Mr. Orban, good morning. Rejoice if you are being. I don't pay want to say. One more time. That's my favorite artist right here. Kojo Entry. Alright, so music from the legendary Kojo Entry at the Apena.
And Ranka truck, Cassilia, me cry. Serna traffic like no soldier. Dance to I drink tea. The drinks and see me tremble. I'm committing it just from Hapatawa. Anka, me talk us to this Agrama. I take check, just swagger. I'm now I come to him. Oh. You say I want to miss it, mommy. So tired being you say, okay, send me better so you can cry. Me tremble. You say, okay, send me share some cry. Me dia was yemi. Me pese me te one tetenu. One more time. Me pese me one pefeno. Hey babe. Me te kwaya down perfume. And only a tree. Me pese me te one casabena. Me pese me kai was in me pese me saranata.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Me pese we tell me once again. Hey, oh yeah, now. Oh, I am Lord have mercy. Yeah, my deep baby, yeah. Oh, where you? My deep, yeah.
Alright, so today happens to be the birthday of the finest makeup artist here in OVA. Alright, so happy birthday going out to you, Kuku Abenis. Kuku Abenis, the finest makeup artist. Sweetheart, I want to say happy birthday. Nyankopon show so nyo kase na mo wakoma so ade nyinambre. Basta na ade no betwia na befie. You go pure, you go can house. Alright, so happy birthday to you. Kuku Abenis. Yamisha no yo kase ba.
Lord have mercy. Yeah, my deep baby, yeah. Oh, where you? My deep, yeah.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Priscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
See my kuma maude, coming you better now. Missy Mutomauta, Menu Bawa, Missy Murama, yeah, Menu Bawa. FTT, just as I am. FTC, as I am yours. Yes, more. Yes, me won't. Yes, more. I am my own.
Right, and also happens to be the birthday of Mrs. Helena Ankoma Jemfi and Mrs. Selena Ofori. Oh, Achima Wabuhaya. I say happy birthday to you, Mrs. Helena Nyankoma Jamfi and Mrs. Selena Ofori. Nyankopon Shamusona on granting more had desires in Yan Famamo. Boy, every Nana Kwame Odro, CEO of Bright Electricals and Engineering Works. Or say happy birthday, because your point come mummy Nina. And then so, hey, me Baba ko birthday. Baba Bako birthday. Nana Kwesida kwa Baba. It's a miss me ba. It's a happy birthday to Nana Ama Asida Bosom Pema Dakwa. Like a 20 I said, Papa Dini, Nana Kwesi Adom Dakwa. Okay, we didn't 4. Nana Kwesi Adom Dakwa. And then the bottom say Nana Ama Asida Bosom Pema Dakwa. Alright, so she's 4 today. Of course, Kenda Care Royal Academy. Nyanko Ponsha no nyo kesia banana man. I'm out for the Joe. I check it. To happy birthday, kesia pa. Goes out to my daughter as well. Happy birthday to you. Right, my motivational message is here, and so that counts like Edwin Baba Kayan home. I've been sharing and Konwa Ebedi, and you share Kwaya Betifa, a fossil, I prepare home mentally. So what Kwawa Rima. But what is happening? Why are people mentioning me on Facebook like that? What is happening? Call Facebook, but I said this one mentioned you. Hey, Obi the Matobet or Hana. That was it. One notification, this one mentioned you, this one. What is going on? Why are you guys mentioning me on Facebook? Me yeah, then I may yeah. Alright, join me on Twitter at Kobina Costi. At Kobina Costi on Twitter. Let's get interactive. Follow me, I'll follow you back. Let's get interactive. And then come on, you be with counselor. You better how to prepare yourself mentally. Warrior, come before so be prepare mentally. I dream you know what cycle one could do saying. And now I'll be on our circle. And then you say when you see kids now, call you two out to pay him for some. Or see there be June or Bewali. And then June, July in Soto 20 and not to find this is the reason why I call Wally the go. June, July in Soto. It's me, the person my board your mind to me call Wally. Look at all this. Just a 1 year scanner who they are on fire 7 quarter 7. At the point said June, July in so and I said so the creator thought that Andrea she says what to Anna. Andrea she's what toy. As in Jessica, June, July, my person my board your mind to me call Wally. Our lady never go yesterday. I'm a man motivational message. Our daily dose of motivations. Titi Abi and Mefama now for yet was here on 93.3 of in the meantime, I was a Color Studios and Digital Embroidery now, so you're seeing for all your wedding photographies, birthday photography, studio picture frame, passport pictures. You now for code 9 Color Studio and Digital Embroidery. Upon embroidery work, so I school crest badges, church Lacoste embroidery, school Lacoste embroidery, face star embroidery, cap embroidery. The training conference one person entity. I want Juma ring name. So person photographer or videographer, video editor. Now I'm now for amount to papa. Now so to me, the year Juma. Kakakra e de gubo to afiwe de obi apekakra eba cho ye Liberty transport opsi to honoma 0245276638 0245276638 abe stop tagging me, stop me, notifications need too much. Men ko check kra. Right, you know your daily dose of motivations now. Motivator, yeah, your friend, Les Brown. And no kind. Les Brown, what's it? Are the people around you holding you back? Or. Mame funny be. Are the people around you holding you back or empowering you to move forward? If your life is going nowhere, Take a look at the group of people you hang around with. Les Brown. Was in California, Chow, who is Yano. One more Chow sign, and now someone showed the Senegal waiting me a concodia coanim. A co-sign. Was see one more Chow, who is Yano. One more young Kofwa, or more 2 for one more shouting, said Pim Coanim, and now you are more sabi or more do Bob Brabby a Chum Covachi. Was it so who saw a brabon and call baby? Who improvements be our brabo man? Take a break, Snazzy. Now show the group of people you hang around with. Or more on your mudiagro, or more on your mudin common, or your more far drink. Transnational South one. Sanko 4 way and coffee, I bet my brabo 2 poana. And now when we young coffee, my brabo and send it, see, and the ice is so at a falcon. And it's our Transnational one, and I just know in area. The ball is in your court. We said, Nipaya, Madame Waboni, or you'll be out there with 2 pounds, and now you'll be about Chimia sign. Even sometimes, what were Jimamu, what was Bushiamu, what was school move. And yet, the Pebiana was so far down for. And I first would choose to say, and yet by force or so far down for. I knew me, person will be a shadow. And yet by force or so far will be a down for. 7 notes a classroom, and notes a desk back goes into no Yamadan for. And comfort tires are the van. In as much as within the class in Chester or down for. The patch of so who's not brabo no bono and yam brabado who born a dube cobia. Chon and your by force. Manco focus away a jet. Manco focus away chrow. I did tumza. Sometimes they are very necessary to say ube sociable. Sometimes it's very necessary to say unya sociable. Because one man do who be born. At the papa be the one over to my catcher, 7 years or 7 years no catcher. That one man say, Uncle Papi, Uncle ya myself, and I'll bet me for you, Commoner, Messias Atopa, or what to say was who you now, or condoms was a foolish boy at the condoms yesterday. I don't for you one time at Trim with you. I'm a poor Frebby. Hello, Commoner, yes, I jump. But I won't tell you no. First one, or can't Commoner, yes, Atopa. Second one was a Commoner, yes, I jump. I jump in coffee mensa. Commoner, or Bible, no doubt to office one, I'll the coffee, Miss Edda, Hokofa. Aha, son, no quarrel, or something in the Bobra. I'd say Miss Ropa. I was so who one man on my Bobra. One more child wish I normally were on you could anyone else someone trained by what G. Boys in your court. And I'll pay a motivational message in your good morning. Baby, I will call there. Me assure us, baby, I will call. One day. And I also on your day. Dentin on your day. And I do Bemano. Or Timmy and someone now with me and yourself. Hey, bra, and I'll pay you sorry. You knew what didn't commonize and I am natural. Munania Munaya, so went to me and yourself. Yeah, Bama, so went to me and some day. Would the Muna? Would the Muna papa? See, Mrs. Say, wardrobe, hey, best man capsules. Best man capsules. I shall get over center for the producer here. Best man capsules. Hepatitis, the airways pain, sexual weakness, premature ejaculation, or the boss up a trepetrayo. Nabessing. So, Johnson Swap. Timus, our brepa, syphilis at Ducro. After so cancer, top MMCram. Our low sperm count, but him no money, the agros and Alpebia. But Major Gooms and Alpebia, but pass or Benjamin de Lala, Kevin Boy and Helica, Lala. Hepatitis, what do your best man capsules? Best man capsules, so for drugstore, be a Benyabiato. A chim swedro from Combo Summit Pharmacy, Dark on Chemical, a chimodan for coaching about drugstore, Candy Drugstore, LBM, Fuko Fisco, always offer your drugstore. I bring for Wellness Chemical, Buyer Chemicals, and I prefer you for Smeko Capson Pharmacy, Delight Pharmacy, or Henana Helba, and a Chimber Grove, for Monko Eva and Song. Kede. You could hear call Martin Kumi and Mr. Anson and Harry Pearl Chemical. Kwabin Fonso called Blessed Chemical. So Fonso called Blessed Chemical. And you know, the best man capsules, the patrol. The Mao Mary Mayano. I guy. Now for you, Mary Mayedi. Train was 0244966043, 0244966043, 0208288099, 0208288099. Now, ebe you marry my yano. Ebe you need pop. I sense you swap Trinity. It's a 3D. 3D area, the malaria, Trinity pa. Mamma man feel up. A patch of malaria there. Ube to Asia, no to Asia preco. Franco Pedra, and no one man out Transava. I just said there be a problem, son. See me, for my dear back clinics is here and then to malaria, Nasima, or typhoid, no orsano. But to us, the mouse is here. Yasway Hodier, the Arabia Babyano, Abusia. The two us here, and yes, I was sick and who here. But the more Yari and I have fruits wakono, and no, and who here, Thomas, your health is our concern. Two Yari and I say, now for us waiting at the Hopa. I'm a dear back clinic watching madam. Your upseats of a green gas filling station, Mr. Tamakro. Nehona, aha. The patrol do Red Cross Junction. I'll see and show my J Herbal Clinic. Hona na be unsi aso ya bronsan. Ya bosoro no kama pan na Dr. Aisha. No one for time. Yeah, Dr. Fopa. Ya man no the obwa o. Am one for pan. Na Dr. Aisha bo. It's 0244877840 and 0205045665. 0205045665. At the point she him say Dr. Aisha de Malayo. Malaya to home for Chomen call. Abaja back let go. I have received here. What was this year? I am proud to chat this up. Police in the dryer immune booster, papa. Every boost immune system on our face when I'm warding. That's right. It's normally your number one immune booster that helps your immune system to fight against and correct all manners of disease and malfunctions that affect the body. It's be strong. Immune boosters and no brena. And the Wajamanzo. Papa, authentic £1 will be a jatuno. Citronia market woman or Majiatum. A police ni edrono. Police ni edrono. In fact, a drone there will be a jatumanesa. If I talk of pharmacy, be a benefit talk was up a police in the edrono. And Cocan, they will cry up a crime and Castle paying with Nukrania. I cannot confuse you. It's okay, I was up a police ni no edrono. Police ni no edrono. And I oppose ni edrono. Ebe yama, me pacho. Pharmacy be a benefit 0246208496. 0246208496 0540710113 93.3 FM. I am kind. Maybe your questions new ready. Councillor Nasi. Titrine mo amaya crowd of some person ware no. Maybe try kwan aba fast we see home mentally. And they are trying to and you say, be a say, oh, wali to so wali be. And you say, June, July, by so to 22 by wali not upon him. Our live and chat that upon Grand Sambe. It's a miss shopper. Your questions new ready.
Have a blessed day.
Right, my men try me home, bra. But when you say, I'm my Jimmy so that I'm the way at Tronum. I'm Paul. Mema Capella. Mommy F sharp, Mommy F sharp. Oh, Mommy F sharp, then you go break him, bra.
Ghana Kuafue, Adama West Africa, Emma Jumo, Adama West Africa, a agrochemical company, what Israel. Now, what Nasia Human who say, a Kuafue Tom Nebia, and Fuet me Jim Funina at the Bosso, Nititru any Esre, say Esre Naju Fua Bossodia, and an American for Agile at the amount. Would you know maybe to say, Enkruma, tomatoes, Nyadua, watermelon, Meko, Ayoyo, Anafe, Abroba, Abra, Esre Nefi for Fra Ebano, if you Agile, no first spray, Esre Swanson, wait to a quakutim, and as the waiting Puerino. Now the Agile, a spray, Esre Ninaso, Shanoson, Mema Esre Nibebre, and now the Agile, a quaku spray. So, the years are over 10 tomatoes and get one. No, I shall back pedia gu kafuka for Fidium. Now do in so 15 liters. Afra, with the spray pe, where we were Juma. So the Agile spray with Fuasia, and Ma and Shrenia will not buy a gunu and tingu, and what you know, a queer for Monsu dear be to say, Binson, and Katia, and a face soya Binson, or Monsu Vezil, a kun Fuena Seprecope Eddie Free, Sanobe Yase. Yes, so we need Unya who say, in Fuena Sasia Bape, if you have Vezil, na first spray, na Saudi spray sope, Ubetu and Fuena Sinina. Uto Vezila, betting me the spray with Funasi and Premwatche, and no crayon so, a spray 1.5 acres, a yan for 30 mils, and as obesu atra yedi enemy and son, now in so 15 liters afra. Benye biato ewo agrochemical shop, bia ben wo Ghana for nenina, and I say Ubefre 0544 325 030, and 0270 575 030. Adama West Africa, Ghana for ye Jimudi.
Anobites here, Drobi, and Mississippi, and me, and so me no anobites no. Aboa me.
I don't know Manumbi. Nam it was in Tinimuna and I teach me. I teach him a banner which is shimmy, said the Yamia Domina, a giant.
Madrono aboa me papa na me ne me rekompoma enduru 1 minute na me ho aba me nom one bottle ti say me ne yiri da be 30 minutes nti madrono de eye pa fan fabra mo
me din de yamesa e to anobites e kono me ne ka so aboa me pa na me sisi na ye me ya na beto no mo ye eno ame no mo ye e ko bibia akọ kama de say me tin bo adwuma ye
ya frɛ me Abdul Jalil Shaibu na me wo haw bi a eye se me ne me yere ehia mu a sisi a na me ho asani me e ma me tumrika Toby. Me no me no, yare no akọ.
Asa no bi test no de desire fa. Ase nsisi ye ne ya. To ya nso. Me no me ni na akọ. Me ka tere wo bi o no ma no bi test say. Ne ya desire fa ebe boa na ma ne yare bi e wo ya.
Ano heba bitters and ano heba capsules. Enre uko Toby atoni mienu ebom. Ubanya biato e wo atimoda ha. Ochini ba drugstore and a Ghana ha. Drugstore bia. Heba shop bia. Ubanya bi ato. No bitters no beaters up
Manyama did what the best woman is.
Say dear, me fear higher them. You can your best man.
Say dear, Mania Jampa, it's an best man capsules. I'm in Zakano, and Yahini, Habamani to Tampa Pabi, and a giant best man capsule, and a free Neko, best man capsules in Tea. You're free. Say yes, is your
best man capsule.
Say Bema, who are Yabafo, and now when you're premature ejaculation.
Best man.
Say a low sperm count, and now Bema, on to me, you show ye prostate cancer, and now syphilis, gonorrhea, and Namu Yaribia.
Oh, best man.
Neba testicular cancer and a penile cancer. Best man capsules. Yes, and remember you're free. Best man capsules. Do papa is Chad Herbal Center. Almost Hansa Street. And a best man capsules. Abajaso. And to a bema and Trahoma Yadimubia and New Yada. Oba Pojuma. Ama Yamo said ya media edge Jimmy's way. Ubanya Biato. Our baby at Ton Rubia.
Ekoko, Wuskobi Pharmacy, BB Chemicals, Ebenezer Chemical Shop, Hillside Pharmacy, Fab Drugstore, Empire So, ASM Pharmacy, Eninum Aboko Drugstore, Achimoda, LB Amwafu,
Ochiniba Drugstore, Amwafu Drugstore, Tumesi Drugstore, Kennedy Drugstore, Kofisco Drugstore, Anafi, Always Drugstore, Kade Martin Kumi Drugstore, New Abrim, Hotness Chemical Shop,
Koforidia, Gapsin Pharmacy, and Delight Pharmacy, Accra, Case Walk Heba, Kumasi, Kolinak Heba,
and now to phone friend 020 82 88 099. Best man capsules, you marry my head.
My friend before.
What? Jadi Babium, it is coming on the Fuambate. Go this city park. What can who be? What the yow top?
Yeah. Yow top. Never sing. Never sing.
And you go feed the Rakia. I show mommy Rakia. Wanna be do Ever feed Ma 2022. A free independent part. A free Yan Joshi. Jehano 9. no adofo ne ombeba enam wo ho aduane wo ho ede na ba bibia bi wo ho no enu ti genya ne se fit match obeso adofo sa na de omoba na sadam MC sa ebe dane dwumadie yi aye microphone go na hitman DJ sinso be hu nyom aye DJ Rich na DJ Mpesempese enu tie hia se de di nka ye ne na yenko gi ani Golden City Pa ewo achim asene eben Akin State University ni pe enu ti mu amu oda aboa cross maso subuwa muni na mujitwi ene trada nyempon Golden City Pa ewo fit match 2022 aye memeneda ampaya abeji tu
Bring it on.
Oh yes, we get need some addition ma omo achim odane ne patemu titiri one ma epe akonya akọ senior high school no makotwe wasi so we no atwa ne yemu esan say national senior high school e wasantemantem aye sanemra ne say great national abepiemu ewo wodan ne patemu a eye ni Samson kokra courses na we ni bi eye business, general arts, visual art, home economics, general science, general agriculture, general business certificate of examination, remedial classes in so what the touch what the amount great national and fast track remedial akaboma was what the classes by so at the amount ewo range experimental JHS and no ewo achimoda nkwantenum ECG office edan achiri wonoma classes no echa se awia normies 3 p.m. 50 duada ekopim efiade bia enu nti wasi 2022 no ko na ko register ewo great national opese of fire forms ni bia for ni chiremu ewo achimoda stop over fast track for 110 in one ma from penny for I was 0244 92 36 36 TNBM 0244 92 36 36 for a great national was say your 8 A's dream is done deal.
I am standing tall.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be
and what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready Pedrian Musamaya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the Duanwa, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a hoka. Now Yamwa suing no, a boy a home buying every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep pinti. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you are may move Bia Yato in row. At to 0246 20 8496. Imbus Haba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Mido, asa na de fia ehwampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 na ma efia ehwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited. And wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Nyema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Banzo ne nanse nkwada nyoma ni ate se wan. Eye parazo enu na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afro. Na ade ba de na wo ahohura potobidi isi
eya akasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papepata susu nyina eso atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Binding snake reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedema wa horo won sai uhu ana ai enu aso na me de wo horo ncha si mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
ban womunioma no ubenya biato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabuase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so pomu atua ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na zo mudi ni body say
JA Binding and Co Limited.
Me drew ho sesia.
Yemama kwaba eba St Andrews SHS Kasebo iso. Ubi eje chesafi anamfie twemu yi.
computer due to school when in home.
And our program I dema wono when in shadanje home.
And I say now per boarding school, Nancy we do today school.
And now dear computer amo school bia.
1 year a St. Andrews SHS.
St. Andrews SHS A grade A private school. Or the operation get a good senior high school of a choice. Ebramwa, we JHS a fee and in fear a tremimu.
Your excellent boarding facilities. Our home ma and a member. Metrebia or da, Humberto yepa.
Your courses be a general arts, business, home economics, general science, visual arts, and a free agri science.
Yawa sin for su, men kasim, dunkono fin and a face sahi asanyensu.
Obetima for 0244 696911 so and 020 789 1004. Kasebonesi ebusiafo yedamase.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Flip the music. Ay, na 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 na. I don't know to treat me, or do you for me? I never think say me, then you go there, show a lie. I don't show, come on, no, mama falling. I me this, I am falling. Tell me, move, but slow down. Babe, come closer. I could show you love, or do. Na, na, yeah. Tell me, move, but slow down. Babe, come closer. I could show you love, or do. Na, na, yeah. Tell me, move, what do you? I'm not you waiting. I go show you love,
You don't know catch me, or the police are Jimmy. Me man no bribe, I want you, see what you love Jimmy. Or don't you let me know to Safwan and Jenny. Me best I will be a better to you, know my love. Hold me close to you, son of my son, to what up, minimum of the me. Baby, make me your favorite person. I don't know my teacher, my Odessin. Yeah. Baby, I'm not do it, dear, me no babon come. Yantin fifre. This is my life for you. Baby, I'm not do it, dear, man. I'm coming, I'm so me. I do you. I'm not do it, dear, I go show you love. Make sure we take it time, baby. Yeah.
So me move, what do you? I'm not you waiting, so me move, what do you? I'm not you waiting, I go show you love, Come and see me swiping photos of you. What on that shimmy? I need a tattoo with your name on it. Metro Dean Kwame. May a tough girl, but see the way I make timid. Boko me do it, do me move it. Ejena wo peki babo tofe. My falling on casa, Jeno Gam Pata. Se ujami ya me uvu ba mesaya baba. Na na na, yeah. So me move, I thought I not you wait, yeah, me no. So me move, I thought you wait, I not you wait, yeah, me no. So me move, what do you? I not you wait, yeah, I go show you love.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
So 40 minutes after the hour 11. We are still here, 93.3 of ODI Electronics, TV Sabah, deep freezers, kettles, blenders, fact no be a person we here see with them and as with the core kitchen maybe be a cost you the man with the electronics no ones were full Brian kan FM fie ha ya oba bebre na wa ha onye koto ba fo be din komo na say 0550900600 0550900600 fixed man capsules and so ya memedro ba me bia so hwehwe fixed man capsules se chia kwan and I also malaria na tete wa wodro a fixed mala mixture skin rashes also wodro a fixed arabella ointment if I talk fixed bandroi main distributor no both chemicals or watch more damage Lowry station in Kuko Foam Honoma 0205885000 it's also available at Walgreens Pharmacy Mwafo Pharmacy even so at Kennedy Drugstore or Chiniba Drugstore and our friends with Chumesi Drugstore for bulk purchase now Concrete and then Takataman so fix about Fortinabia from 0208444442 and 0302902071 0302902071 penifobeti mi abo what short of there can maybe a trip still anfa what rowa sino anfa opesa wo tro bi na unya good grace now the co school national senior high school and a fast track media school watch modern kroma beti mi abo wona weti ma tro wasini and ascent of there no na wo twa ni bi and we are business students general art student visual arts home economics students science students and agriculture science students now we call ya chimoda stop over opposite Carnation fast food hona obehu say fast track for tents your tent ewo ho bore asie na baji your forms ni bi your classes at the man pre SHS sorry pre SHS classes at the man GHS leavers watch modern radio experiment Monday to Fridays 3 p.m. near Shasie. At the forms need be another team of friend 0244923636 0244923636. Right, so counselor is here already. Timisi and I have been come acquire our faso. I cycle one casawa dream towards our way. After pines on so better June, July. It's in a person worry. Meaning says I dream we are dream papa there. Right, so counselor is here. Young Connor channel for young Shan comedy. I say, Counselor Cover.
Yeah, Kwabna.
Maybe I will call there.
Yeah, me adu maybe I will call. Yeah, what that's our 2 years.
I feel. And that right. When you ever how a quiet before so I prepare your dream mentally for our way. Now, many messages be and I know pains now to pine to the home common or chairman say, oh no, June, July, you see what to talk. And it's no person worry. Now, say, at the pan, no say, on person be boy, your man, what bread. She say, oh man, and so. And you know, June, July, dear, the problem be brenam. On Peterson to person worry. So I'm not agreeing on. At the fine agreeing on. Meaning say I papa there will be out now with me. I share more.
Unyasa sabro.
The unyasa sabro.
But of so worry.
Say you super to 20 over so.
Hentina me be say you better to June July. Unyasa sabro de ni be.
At the fine me guni pa okuma. It's me part of Jabi be man of a fire chassis.
Come na mami nchia first lady na nchia me do for back so government hospital administration or antibi me kan we hu ne ho and chief Pogas Starby, yes, Starby. Maintaining can't o ma maintaining.
Ma miss Wincha achim swedru for last week. Ma be no me heavy pa.
Kwabna yanko obi.
Ma minchi o
yanko obi. Yeah, you there. We jam or cream no matter. Say na be there. Anyway, good. Kwabna maybe there was a funny idea na I was witnessing na me di hu nkomo. Abranti bi ne yere na ntawantawa na say oba ne sisa ne bag say okone maame ho to oguso park ya na be ma no so etisim
no no start say o park
no party
ti ho no banda nani na o kwen no say also call mama ho me so me call mama ho na obi say say na emofra na o so call mama ho
obi call mama ho somebody wachi obi call mama ho no no
ade say me come mama ono so so call mama ho obi say emofra o so call mama
obi be call mama
eno obi e call mama
simple gra
it at the end of the day what will happen yes kwamna ye de nyame ase good kwamna before you get up every morning no it is the brain or it is the mind that controls everything say ubedidi say obenom eno ene can be bicho say at this point in time in your life no uhia adware come kakrade isu come kakrade e wo say wo yesi it all everything about our area can once me it's a very big topic and I like that say it starts from the brain. When the mental caucus no enye adwuma it becomes a problem. It is a odi sa aderia o ka say how do you prepare yourself mentally for marriage? Kwabna say you have embodied everything ade ye be kan once me say physical because adwene no mu da ho a obetumi abompai means you are preparing yourself spiritually. So adwene no mu da ho a physically utumi ye a lot of exercise utumi didi adwane ni ye ho adwuma meaning physically you are preparing yourself. So adwene mu da ho a komna you can talk of so many things. If the mindset is right it helps you eboa into bema bia no anase oba bia no say ura ware it is very necessary to be mentally prepared. The mental toughness near become one seven no and then na the psychological and then the other side of it but yes my main call the main come na here dey bi and evening news no almost frame me concerning identity man be bre eja ware sen me man now my first statement I'm making is a man in job our be brinsin you ye mema ni jam wo yakomam ye nka ne ntem ye nka momu
MP
ye jam mo de da
ye nka ya no
na ha ye pra ye na se ye twen mo mangasa ye bibi se omo no mo de omo nyoma bai
mangasa gas ma bre
na wo sisa kwa ni ye si cross what I say etino ye jam mo de da na mo nya
pese mo ye na MP
mu basa na mu gigina mu ya na ya see cross na ya kro no so that and I was talking about say a man dodo na no oba expectation e wa ware mu oba na wa mehu ni sa dum ni ja it the slightest kwabna wa kan your board members ebe mu pe and me pen baby afa what I say and I was talking also about the fact that the last creature about the no ye catchy into oba and everything was being provided for it is oba no be wura ware mu a oba onim say all these things should be catered for. That is why kwabna me ni odi nkomo ana me ni etiefo kasa I always talk about say Bema you have about 99% of the responsibility. Oba no oba we asin God knew enti no man here the last person because of ni niece any nyoma bia say ameka ne ho a e ma brabo ne den ma no enu nti oye the last person enti kwabna say nyame anya wadom na say okofa ka akiri a o say oba ka akiri na say wo de koto ho so de ya na wadwuma ye
last born for
sa enti at the end of the day ono oba ni na or expect say things will be very smooth. Let me limit me nkomodie no wo mema ne side because the bia ne ekọ si ekọ ware Ghana ha ne amamre no eye emema ne ekọ
ekọji aware enye man ne ekọji aware right
it a man me come the but let me center all my ayini na ye mema but it goes in general kwamna ade ba ko ewom ni say number 1 of which it is helping me kwamna say first lady to her the first thing I think about is ye mienu enye me nko a the word say the two of us enunti ye mienu kwamna ebo papa say we ye bema na say unni that thinking say aware a ye ko wuramu ana me ye ready me boaboa mo say me ko ware no me ni adwen bi say mienu adwen na wo de wo ba ko adwen a me say aware ni enduru ba bia
So we didn't come on yang.
Kwabna nyamishira where you use the right word amami. Yen. So your ba na wo tie mi a. Na se wo wura wade mu a. Fa yen kasa. Kasa bi a o kan yen, ade bi a wo ye ne yen. Se bode ne ya ba ko a. Wo se wo chemu mienu yen enti. Enye minti. Be man ye frew ene nyame adom anase bi want me amfa bibia anto table no so. Na se wo kwa mauti embu fo. Enye se boapayo. But the fact that you could not provide means it should urge you, except it provided an avenue for you to go harder. Say next time no e masa ade ni NCBU. Enti kwabna yen kasa no e boa papa. Se wo koware na wo ni yen kasa na wo ma adwuma ne ye dene. Because yen nwa no ma, this is what is worrying us. E wo mu se mo de e wo se nke ye bibia. Enti na you say no nyame am the opportunity to do a whole lot of things for ourselves. And this na more back in as helpers. Enti think about the next person. Think about your husband. Put him first. Oye bema fa obani dikan. Enti se wo sorry na se who se body na yefia. Think also about her. Say the same thing. Ono so by now body no ayefin. Se when didi ya think about and no so say ono so by now kwabena ono so didi ye. Me mpese me de mofra bebam sisi a. Eti the yen kasa no se wo tie mi a etiefo se wo tie mi a na wo de yen kasa no esi wani so a na de hye wo trimu a eboa wo papa. Because kwabena adwuma wo tim sisi a se yen kasa no wo mu a unim se ade a me ye na me yama wa enye se wo please no. No, you are not doing things to please her. But you are using her as a motivator. Emma wo ye dwumadene because right now you are not only for yourself. Kwamna ka me no nkwanka bi about 3 days na chale egusu na mu. Adwale na adidie de nke fa nto nchen. But wo de onu si wani so a, oh wow. I then na obi baba metumi aka se kwamna advert bi na se me hwe. Ma me kase bi o se me kun 1 week ni wa kire me kom. There's an advert on TV right now. Abrantie bia. Me kun be 1 week ni wa kire me kom say ah. Na watch you come 1 week in Puna. Why kakrakasa? And so onya hwe kura o. And ayapa. So, enti this is it. De bia na o de yen na it helps you to do a lot of things in your life. Like ema o bon ho modern e wa brabom. But o de wo mimini di ya. Ofrew ene de one face na me kra medidi. Na me kra mai say no. Enti before you even enter into a marriage no. Masa yen ideology na yen kasa no sister ya menene kobo bra ya menene kobo bra minim se owa adwuma mu no mesumi wa adwuma mu no I am thinking about no first even before myself. It helps you a lot. It like kwabna if senka and no be jam wo yen nko an and then that is the ultimate because obi enu a odwen ni nwia ho a opese ni nwia ne ko that tibia nim. No. So it helps. Because when she's not looking good, it affects you. When she's looking good, wow. To me, I don't have beat you say, yes, that is my wife. That is how you want your wife to be.
Obi ka chem say opeso how bema bi hwe ne yere ya hwe ne dressing keke.
That is it. Kwabna you're perfect. Hwe bema ne dressing. She doesn't come out with any but the person is always on point. The person is always on point. It's in the same way, no person that is the same way. So always on point. Do you get me?
Yeah.
Good. And to the next point, and say, this is what I want a tearful team. Let's practice forgiveness. But I say, me can't say be I can't. He say 2020. And a year day. Kwamna odi matem and a year day. Kwamna sebi enye otene and sabomi. Shame unto you. And a kwamna and a year day. Can there be another way to solve or resolve the issue? And a year day. Or can I say, oh ye say, can't we forgive? It is a journey of two. And to Bema or Bawu me. Now you don't have the forgive or the forgiving or the say o de boni beche o de boni beche me pacho enya wadwen say wo koware o twe asem mu a o de asem hyew mu a mesrew enko eho onko na wote no you have time to do a whole lot of things utumi when it me je ho you but this time around you are putting yourself under or you are going to be an institutional enye se ne opese wani je no ene wani beje emaabo enye se bia obi bebo but sa school no emaabo ne say stress a whole lot asudie bebre beba so awoje ho a enye first ne bia kwabna to meet na bonti manebo 8 9 10 this time around nobody is giving you that permission on to meet na bonti manebo 8 9 without permission
na course abeba no
what you say it is bibini fault ba and that me kind me 50% complete. Nyankopon abom perfect, a human being like me. But the moment I be wadwin so be rasa institution, such institution we are 50% complete. Or no see a 50% complete. You come together, you try many things. Ekopim say mun na mo says 50 no ekopim say we do 100%. Anything akwa na be do 60 ya. Obsi abre no matiada. Obi do 70 ya no abre enti de bia sa 30th anniversary for no omo ye sa 80 aircon because kwamna 80 na de bia ka say distinction ne yes enti the free 80 aircon enti obetumi ye adwuma na koduru 70% wan hwe ye no apaba na bibia to atwa enti kwamna me sretiefo so oye bema na oye oba na so opese wura wadem na wura mu yie na wade ni mu ye wo de na wo timu aba Mr. Forgiveness. And was sama and a year then. Work on yours. Work on yours.
Andrew was Andrew. Na me movie na movie na. Guy no kochiti.
Okay.
And na yere che no.
Okay.
Oba fie no. Ono mo person ye no ho guy. Oba na ne ka che say, "Hey, you see this relationship, I'm not leaving. We will die here."
That is it. Kwabna, me bo me sema masa oba. Why you want being so titi me? I me jaiwa. You want unti ase.
What's me go? You see this relationship, I'm not leaving. We will die here.
So unim da bia waso a. If so unim oba wa brabo mu no enhire bia to na brabo so a. Onfiri mu na obi mefa.
Nko.
Kwabna, me si nipa obia ne de edi nachi. De bia nya bone o. Bibia obia ne de edi nachi. Let's talk about the good things that are following us. It will be what the obemu na. Enti na de bia omo so omo ya madwen say ya no mo so mpese omo sa nyoma ne bebemu. Because enepa ebi oba wa brabo mu atona brabo so no. The kind of respect oba bia pe fame, obi bia na maye pese ye de sa hwe ebia na ba bi unti na ba bia ne onko da no akọ ho. Eti kwa bra we de onko na obi mehye ho. Oti aware ase. Me say akwa na nyum no say on sabe genius. I don't know how to sing that song. Ebedu ba bi no. Yes. Be man obeya akosi say. When she decides to put things right in the home. Ebia na oba ne ka ho bi. Enti say we decide so oye nyoma ya. Definitely one day oba be man be back to his senses. Na ya sa to aso afiri ho. Kwabra mbache what masi. Yes. Kwabra the next thing I want to talk about is our privacy. So person mentally prepare yourself for this. Privacy, boundaries. Kwanya obefa so a one wa busua onso ni na busua the kind of enkoma a oni ni bedi kwabena misua na me ha adwene pa ebia na misua na sei mesrawo oba se wuwura mu a se waye wadwene a se woni wasefo bedi nkoma a enkomo no hu ba bia obedu akosi bema se woni wonse woni mu kodi nkomo a mesrew enkomo no hu ba bia obedi akosi ni yanga kanje o se oyire no mpadware ewu mesrew it the least idea kakra bia ye beka che o se anada obeka se ne de mabre ene de oya me demi ase e kan me no ma me kura di nkomo ka se wo
na
mpadware mesrew enso nem be very careful enkomo no manenye enkomo a ehote yes kwamna eti yanka dware ho asem wo enkomo ma yentumi nkan nsem ebe me asere we have a lot to talk about. Sure. You bet me asre around any topic. Boundaries. Sister, me pacho. Me die ma die say die. Me unkomo no die dru ha. Obeka say, "Eh, no bia ya ware die." Hwe. Anything entokwa wo ho no. Boundaries ni ntino, ene entokwa wo ho. Kwabena, se ne bibini na se okoti bibi wo na busuam. If you don't take care, se bufoni do sa level na, one way out the be dinatem.
And I know be answer na short memory, ntino. Assembly or how by country will be 18 years ago.
A honor forgiveness ni memu. Say sa same way. Wo catch them me hu akwan me fa so metumi dia chew e wo mabrabom. Eti e honor sa ware ne pe baby because unya ni je o baby ah. Because one set boundaries ama no e na wakotra. E na afi wa be catch rew. E na afi e di unya. Like a whole lot is happening within you. That is it.
Forgiveness there. I think say every relationship I will say take big role. Yes, because me always so massage movies guy no IBB late night agents on fan channel.
Okay.
And I let in so IBB onim say guy no enya we. But na guy enya we. Ti no friend buzan say my your boni a o tum da chemi ana. O say there be. It's okay. Any they are also me nim fan huni. So do you expect me to forgive you? This relationship thing, I didn't remember.
Yes. It's because Obano and Yawari open up. Yes. And come on, you bet me a dread baby. And I make come say a busuya diano. I'll cry here make us here. And so nin kuma for no. So mo bani ya mama kwenya se mu nin kuma. Mu hu baby mu be di mu kuma. Privacy no. Yes, ukuno ebia a free in kwabra me dem call boy school throughout. But where ebia the only miss school do and now for ma. I have a lot of male friends and yeah a juma crampo and kabia a mad draw numbers ninja than why? Because I have had male throughout it me one now for member baby. I can cope with it. Now be or no call a miss school no and then juma on poor no. These are the kind of people a jom former or a banker. Only jom former the department or only jom former ni dia gropa. A whole lot. Ebi anadube 10:30 na Africa na ebi obi frɛ no. Obe hu ni message a. Afi ono frɛ. How can you cope with some of these things? Into the barriers ne bemu a eboa. Phone asem ho de me pese me call because ono no kofa wa angasa oyare. Heart attack ne there. Yes. Kwamna there can be an instance where be a message in the Quran. It wasn't meant for your husband or your wife. And then you went to see it. Kwamna wase ma na okay. Ebi ana be me asema a wose wo de ahye ni trimu a on person obeka ho asemi. Through be a text message. It wasn't meant for the lady. The person was sent. There were groups mo be to me the betum. Ne background to me fa phone no. Now what type bibia betum.
We Vars day twemi yeah. Me could array me buy na me who message before one lady bia message na me who I wasn't expecting her to send me that message. I was like, "Eh." She said me shuffle ni na masre kakra me busa message me Diana. Like I was surprised. Meaning ni you didn't come about. Yes. Not to that extent. I wait for send me a love message.
Yes.
Say, all this one no ya damn no Jimmy kana you dey make a call.
Okay.
My friend I come now me sorry pa. My friend I no can say say me and I wan fan for WhatsApp.
Good.
WhatsApp dan ko delete.
Oh yeah.
So ka jam say come for WhatsApp dan come delete. But SMS me sorry. Message you know na me dey ma. I say hey Charlie, what mama stress am because all ya damn you also there be me fan.
Come na sin che yama. Sin che yama.
Miss Risa, hey, all
this is what I'm talking about. It is funny say enya wo na wo kofa ayi phone yi ene kosi nchen ya kwabna enke ye be kan say hey one Saturday bi na anwumre program no mama nurse send ade mama and I think I don't know whether I was typing okay na ma send in the back me ni ba because of my phone issues na ma send ade a very request no be say onya ade mama me ni ba mo so ma send ya mama nurse it imagine say mama nurse ekun ebe fa phone no
asamaba
enanka yes me send message na my different person even though call be man po ho be man na me send some message na man enti that is it enti uko fa na ye den that is what I'm saying privacy keeping boundaries Ebeboa papa. Let her know say I had me dima grow kusi ha say. Around that circle ne de agro bi we as bi betumi adi but me srew. Me name now for sem de e power chew. I'm not disrespecting the fact that oh yeah me yes I can obi entiase o ho mame. Open or the openness eba be shem say and I see aware de aye ho number ako. Hey. Yare ho number ako but ye nanti mum. Ye ummehye me mu na me nso mmehye mu. It means there are certain things metumi ne me nuaba dia mintumi mo ho enka ya na se mintumi nka nchiro. Don't go that length. But the next point I want to talk about to prepare yourself mentally is about your finances. Come now. So be wura ware mu a kudi mesre be ma boa ho sie because una akoware me say boa ho sie e mo obi a nada o say awade ne mu wonhyira wonso nam ho na wonko aye single no nso wonhyira wo mu pa etiefo ntie miye nanti a wonam ho na wonam ho
me ara na mbebie kwan ho me
Dabi edinti ne ye bo afore a ye wo tight ho nhyira ene ye wo offering ho nhyira ye kan yes chese etumi kofini amakra ye wo ho nhyira ho it is a wutie mi a as single as you are nyame guso nam so domo anaso wo hyirawo or mawo de wo pebia as a single person sa ukowuremu so a ehun so nhyira beba but don't disregard the fact that we are single need no mesrew bua wo ho sie bua wo ho. I don't know why I'm stressing on this. If you don't equip yourself well financially, you will get a problem. A whole lot will happen to you. I'll be dwene wa won tiase bema mesrew oya no aka anything ne me de meye bibi kitua bi hey obetumi aye nkese aye obetumi aye kitua bi aye. The fact is enye de kitua bi na abaye no ene be ma wo finances enye kese na abaye no, and the fact is prepare yourself well financially. Bua ho sika semu oba me say o kwa won so bua ho sie
because you be sia na nwale
Hey, come now. Me say enye emfani nenku because you see don't be a wedding planner, be a marriage planner. Adena uko remu wi a mandatory say the free mu buy mofra. The mofra it doesn't come easy. Anything I may say prepare yourself well. Psychological need the shocks need the eba come now. Sikasem no will help a lot. Baby, what was Mejuma say? Baby, what was this? Yes, that is what I'm asking you. I'm telling you, and you're asking. I'm telling you. If you don't have the backbone, so one prepare yourself financially. I wanna me say you just own to yes.
Ebe from.
That is it. It's mesretieful. Say oh we are wadwene say or mentally if you decide to enter into a marriage finances enti mesere the yenye kasa no yen kasa say ye mienu anytime you want to enter into a relationship ye mienu de bia yen now 2 kwabna forgiveness say wo de boni be free 3 say kwabna obe set boundaries enkomo no man so nem ne ayifo ni hu ba bi obedi nkomo oni omo di nkomo nso a privacy let it be in that for financially prepare yourself kwabna financially prepare yourself masika sam anywhere nim yes nyan ntini wo sika semu ansa na wawuram enhyira na beba aware mu nhyina no wanka se o ware a meton sika nsu agu so wasi me hyira aware mu nhyira kwabna nhyira nso de bebre what of if kwabna wo de wo ware ye no nhyira nyame de do mu ye awo
ba wo sa
ebo ma ne ntafo eba funu you ask yourself say erade nhyira yes obi so e ware ye no sika wo wiase nya wanya but awo ni nya mai ebe baba te nya mai kwabna no so ebe ka ne say ni sika wo no hu de onfanye enti at the end of the day won de we nhyira do bi ade etie obi so ware ye no na dwuma de we a enyoma e move but not one way or the other baby so like it to be that is it. Enti kwabna the last point I want to add is kwabna if you want to enter mentally no also think about enkwala no because these are the offsprings. The next stage of it, say mofra be and discuss it very well. Sit yourself down. Have a plan for your children. Have a plan. So who tell me a branty apeso room, a baba apeso room. Have a plan. Nyeni swede hunu bi ma mofra na opese. Don't let them come before you start planning. We'll be late. Plan for them in the next 2-3 years. This is how I want my children to be. Yes, Emma. Yes, and so what plan here? Unim say, oh, ye penny, you know where to place this. These are for kids. These are for this. These are for that. Yeah, before the baby be for some many more thing. But if you are able to plan all these things very well, I think you wouldn't be left. I mean, as in troubled or be beside here. Those shocks in a bar ain't hard because both of you know my planning. One farm of frana and ya sticker. You have yourself to be blamed.
True.
One farm of frano and ya sticker. You because no say every month sabo frana bar. Every month be an ube 2 school fees. Every 3 months ube 2 school fees. Ube top diaper. You see a whole lot will come in. And if you are unable to mentally sit and discuss or do all these things, nothing what bury no. Nothing oh boy. You get yourself into so many things. Nanka at first starting ka bit me aye. And I think these are some of the few things and then me person you discuss and I say 30 for 3. I think the other ones it comes within. And who our any course na say it develops. And these are some of the things I think we should take keen interest. So one man I knew him there. One we are in a bed yes, because empire no na me kind yeah. Don't and yet umpire do our bebono and a more warrior I successful. That is why I didn't go there. Umufra brim ya chira send a bompire. One bompire. Who's of mammy be an aware say. Who's of will be an aware. You ask yourself 40 days fasting wouldn't do anything. Do things right. Do things right.
Right. Madam Football Scotland. I was saying I'm really enjoying your show, Charlie. Good job. Keep it up. The point what I was saying. Here in the UK, Scotland, right? Okay, I say here in the UK, many people would love to attend pre-marital classes or courses. That one really helps Ankasa. Sure, Ghana how?
Yes, manko. You better say me peduma mami ho. Iti na ma moso kra no. Counseling and Ghana hani de normal. You better say mumra counseling. That is why I didn't want to talk about counseling. Some real issues, no. Oko counselor yen kan ebiane anka we anchiro nti ma menya let me take the opportunity to tell you over here.
Okay,
that is why I didn't mention counseling over here. Me pasa me ka say counseling there be because me nim say kian ne kin ye be ka say momra and then penifo ba ku mienu bi even that day no po amoware no sa asem ni bebem but what of yan ko boss asem no so
we ka say ene ye be call ya sorry
oko a sofo no do ofem ofie kura no wonya time kura already she's a victim or a victim. Oh no, put two things right. Yes, Sanyoma he wasn't able to look at all these things before no room and they hunting. It do better than anymore or the vampire for country. Ube hwang, you be who cry who. So still the problem will still be the same way sanity because you couldn't plan very well. Good.
Okay, points on the I think say what can I was say. There's no place for selfishness in marriage, so you should start changing your mindset for me to we.
Yes, that is it. And then I make one say, it has really helped. It has really helped. It we are talking from experiences. We pick the Ninko Fushia. I mean some of these things. So mindset ne we are sign.
Yang.
Jai any uncle. Yes, say we to man for no ma catch rom. Yes,
unya de pa
mo kan ho bi enti na da bia mo ba na wo bag kuta wo no ense wo no mutie mi amuntie ni ye unya de pa wo fa nkwan wo fa mrewo na ne ma no eni wagya ne ma ne abobe ma no so anu ayedai. Why don't you say all these things to her? Say o kono kodwene say yen uni wukun kobobra na unya de pa eka ya de pa eka de ya eni enko okun. You don't know what you are talking about. Come na din common here.
Eka because my main kind messages kakra na fe yambra phone lines. Me patch also work question me episode busa. Number no 0554820910 0554820910. What question na obeso busa bia wo no wadwen on tanta me ware be ma ye a wabe mingini ntum menya den bia na uhu dia wo ye ho amepacho ubetime busa counselor question bia opese ubusa ni bia number 0554820910 na Vodafone 0201944485. We say good morning Brakop. Now how are you doing? I'm a fair part listening to you live at Abo. Keep it up. Right. This one says Common Quest greetings to okay, where is Ziggy? Blessed Sunday, say 2 p.m. Mampong Asante. I'm really enjoying the show live from Mampong. Big ups to all my loved ones, especially Zoom Lion for being near the idea. She Shatawale near the idea. If I join your first as a friend. If I join radio, no, me pacho. Join radio, ninding come. Your first as a friend. Kwame, join radio ni kakre binamento kasai. Why? Okay, ending community.
Yeah, but I'm also in my family.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes, I'm saying, cancer, I'm so 2 years old. And I say, I'll take you no more cry because what I say in our meeting. I said, what kind of much of a farmer. Now, I see, what can I say? Oh, I said, person. We are you see seven or we do. Pass on our one. And if you answer so if I send me wallet. Oh, now you look at seven you sir. And you don't know mean date is our come down Menica.
Okay, that is nice.
It's imagine sorry here. Me girlfriends, I go from town and maybe share me. And son of my
right, obey you ano.
Okay, yo.
Okay. With the shabu so sa shabu so say onya nanka imanize wa share no but obey the dance here. Osime ntwem pna sa ko pese nya me shira bia na so dey. Be ba che professor ka so free.
Me dey dance me ka so for man down.
Dance me pa try no pay it you.
Copy, nya cancel can the na age ma pa. I mean, experience ba kwa me yan say. Boy be man na wonu kakra no man na so wonu chicha. Nya waje say what be pass no more and I say o fele for bi wono. We chicha bi akọ especially when you let chisa aro. Because last 2 weeks, and later they ka say last 2 weeks on. Madam could you trade war now small areas. Now only na se be ma ewo area o. And then it me the da after now for no mu din komo and also hell. I think this is but I be one ready one say to. You are not we bibia o susa. Make so get the papa so.
Papa so jina o.
Papa so. Oh. Then about that is where you was about no go me.
Right, 0554820910, 0554820910. I also bet me afraid. We question me up as Obusa counselor about our rate. Open so kwa our rate. Wadwan on tanta. I mean, it's not be can when you worry about the sick as no ever form kakra on trampana and also the wait my favorite phone is 0201944485. Wisdom Pinkra. I say good morning, bra. I like the way the man talks. Keep it up. I'm Wisdom Chastity from Achim Swedro Backpass Bistro. Greetings to all Achim Swedro free fufu party fans. Hey, your first work as a friend.
Yeah, maybe the Frimpong because I to go to.
Frimpong, me ba you.
But nya kan so kan de ni na ewo mu pa na especially kasam no cra financial. Be ma wo be kwa wale. That guy no question business on chain no news scans to wale ni ade no. Mata. This time wale these days no. One wo ho financial one man anya strong kakra kra na hu obana no ho fe na o 10 million there baby you gidi with ko wala udi agro oba no ba 1 month to pay for that ako because me no can just say enra me kujum then me go shopping kakra ni ade aja o ti gani ablanke masa 200 Ghana e shebi go to me ni ba me won se ni na asa me so me ko ina na ma sa se me ko me ja large 50 Ghana me ba be bia o
Me bada. Can you answer me? Checking your man as well. Super pepper. Me ko ni da media se ga na media be jala dun ja ba ya ba so be o je ba wale ado pa kole do ko sua ke na se da de ye ne ezo to wa na wo to funoma eni oba na oba wan so po ba o so be tia bo a so se wo nya oba no ba no be bo wa wale a eni asese mu a ene mama wale na ya odo na ko fa be me ko fo ba bia keke na bia da wo so o ta pampe o to moko o to je ni bia ibi se fi o moto ma wala we be jada wale this time around you know cancel cause you can't why
that's it that's it na emano bunye ready say na mema na mba for it na emano yesebo twema ema mo mbra na mo be mo mayehu most problem mu nemu ade boy na na say ana they
mo machin su nensu
ya for so ka say free
Black Kwame ni CMB
Black Kwame
CMB
me patcho meet you
da councilor na ko sika ka me kan se ho all the ye din kon fa ware se mo no o sa die fe na wa jaye ho aya ye ka ho ase mo ware mu iti ye kan aware I was say ma subanya wo de na di wo ware mu atima wo ye fi jaw o say ye ka o say ye na so Ghana say na so ma jaware pa but o ma ye hu ni ye nam so a e ma wa jaye ne bai e do ba bia to be jaware a the cat say and so fancy me sofo me yere also ba sorry and sana sorry maba yere ba sorry at 11 o'clock it now oba we no ono so na drink say no jai ono so oba ba sorry 11 o'clock it no so ba we on so jaware no kwa on say me hu beto me afi ma dwun be me han but ono ba sorry 11 it am pe bi o yema awai ko so so baby ona so dey do are ni mu a yeti ma ye jao ma bi won no no ye neti no ono a on jao ba no ba de bia ni fun so no ti na ni di bo an to no so hwe se this be mu bia oni oba da ehia no and oba ni ti no obre nti du ba bia ye ma no se ye ma be ma hu se ni ye bi ona so dey ni di are mu a embre mo ko se ye jao na be ma ni oba nya sundwe kaka me kasa o jaye but so be on my emboa
wakasa pa ye da se kansala ye time was yan preparation na yego
good enti kwabna se na abrante ne ka se sika sen na wo se sebe ensatin na enyepe kwabna ohwe wo ho no watwa wo ntoma enti I'm not saying say nya $1 billion and sano ma worry but what I'm saying is say
me patro ye fa last caller we na yenko patro ye caller utwa to ye fro so ka se free
patro from ko Sophie Achimoda.
Okay, yenti.
They can come person this and say, is it good for you to marry a woman who doesn't work, or you have to look for a woman who works that can help you in the marriage?
Me patro me busa question. Work no onye bi kra ana say onye bi obeye but eni ho.
Yes. For beginning the onye bi kra.
Onye bi kra. All right, okay. Yeah, that's a counselor by you on.
Okay. Kwabna, okay. Enti kwabna very quick one on that. Why you ready so no person we and what has been all your input? Ebi a on na when e gino ho. E kwan be na obefa so abeboa no ama na nya ebia ye. Enye se onye bi kura nti no na say no. But what has been your input? E kwan be na opese oboa no wo sa kwan no so no so ebenya bibia ye. Oye na anye yi anafe no wasa asase e na obusa no no enti ebia no bi ho osua adwuma no yes for now no osua adwuma onye adwuma but osua time will come obey master we take it from there you no so onya nye bi no komo be na oni na di ne willingness say opeso osua bia na opeso oye bi no it is saying graduates come house they are there ne willingness opeso osua yes and such a person no or when it does so say some time to come another few the next possible future no be adwuma you get me